I have a test set up here to demonstrate instant off measurements on the oscilloscope. I have an interrupter, a depolarization simulator, and my CP Pro. I can see that the interrupter and CP Pro are on the same interruption cycle. Let's get a closer look at the app. Immediately, I can see that synchronization looks good. The bar at the bottom scales the time axis so you can increase or decrease the speed of the chart. Decreasing the speed lets you see multiple interruptions all at once, while increasing the speed gives you a better resolution of a single interruption. You can toggle the AC, DC, or live traces on or off. You can scale the DC voltage axis using the slider on the left. You can move the whole chart up or down just by dragging it. And the right-hand slider controls the AC axis. You will note that some AC voltage is measured when the interruption starts or stops. This is normal. You can initiate a capture from this screen as well. It will record on the next interruption. You can keep viewing the scope, and when you close it, you will be presented with the capture.